see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're going to be talking about Supreme Week 6, which is the Supreme Lamborghini collaboration. For this week, we're going to be seeing this collab, which honestly has been anticipated for years. But when Supreme puts their touch on shit, they drop the ball. That's typically what's been happening with collaborations for a little while now. Like, if it's not Stone Island, TNF, or one of those big ass brands, they end up dropping the ball. And that's exactly what happened with this collaboration right here. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let's see if we could get me to 15,000 subscribers. We're literally so close, bro. We need like 220 subs and we're at 15K, which is a milestone for me. Once we get there, I will try and start a giveaway for you guys, which will include Supreme and a whole bunch of other shit. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we actually do have a couple dropless items that might be releasing for this week. They do end up changing, but I don't know. I'm gonna talk about them here and I will do the full drop list for tomorrow's video. We're gonna start from the bottom of the list with this short sleeve shirt. This is a button up and literally if you wear this shit, bro, you look like you're selling Lambos at the dealer. This has the front and back plastered Lamborghini bull horse on it. Like, I'm not freaking with this, not one bit, bro. I don't even see Supreme branding on this shit and it's kind of disappointing because they could definitely do better, bro. Throw one of your cars on the shit and it will look so much better than just the logo. But this shit is ass, definitely deserves to be at the bottom of the list. Next up, you got the second part of the work outfit. You got these overalls, which is basically for the people who are under the Lamborghinis, cleaning that shit up, fixing the timing belts, whatever you're trying to do under the Lambo. It's this right here. This shit is ass, bro. Like, who is buying overalls from Lambo? Like, nobody, bro. Them shits are cheeks. Next up, we got the hockey jersey, which I feel like is one of the better pieces from the collab. And for me to say a hockey jersey is the best piece, the collab is ass, because I do not buy jerseys from Supreme. I could probably find this for resale under retail after the drop happens, so I definitely wouldn't end up going for that for the personal. Next up, we do have the Lamborghini work jacket. This is one of the pieces that could have been so cool, but it's ass. Like, they could have done so much more. That's why it's so disappointing when literally they have a collab and all the mock-ups look better than the official shit. Like, it's, bro, like, it's mind-blowing. Like, it don't make no sense how people who aren't working at Supreme come up with better shit than the people inside those design offices. This shit is ass. Like, I'm not vibing with this, not one bit, and it's unfortunate because it has the potential to do so good. It kind of sucks. Now we're going to talk about the best part of the entire collab, which is definitely the beanie. I feel like when they do these collaborations and they slap the logo on it, the only piece that's guaranteed to look good is the beanie, because normally they do the Supreme on the back or the front and they do the other logo on the other side. And it's the same thing with this. You have the Lambo logo on the front, Supreme on the back. If you're not feeling the Lambo shit, flip that bitch over and you got the Supreme on the front. It's a double beanie in a way. That's kind of how I look at it. It's kind of like this Nike beanie right here. You have the Nike logo on the front, then the Supreme on the back. It's like a double-sided type shit. I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I mean. This is definitely my favorite piece from the collaboration. Honestly, I'm the type of person to buy a black beanie and just freak it all year round, but I am feeling this orange color, if I must say so myself. We got 3 more pieces that are on this drop list, one of them being the Restless Youth hooded sweatshirt. I don't know what this shit is fire. Damn, this shit is hard. Low-key, this Restless Youth hooded sweatshirt might be the item that I end up going for. I'm definitely a fan of this hoodie and the Lamborghini beanie. That shit go hard. Slight bars, by the way, but this shit is fire in that cream colorway. Unbeatable, unstoppable. Shit is so hard. I like what it says on the back, even though I don't know what it says on the back. Actually, it says the youth are getting restless in like 4 or 5 different languages, which is pretty cool. Definitely a fire piece. I feel like people are gonna sleep on that item and I hope they do. But next up, we do have the Lamborghini T. This is another one where, hey, you can't go wrong if you do the little logo on the front, big logo on the back. But I just feel like, bro, if they would have put one of their Lambos on the front, like the car with the Supreme spell out under it, this shit would have had over $100 resale. I promise you, bro. It kind of would remind me of that race car shirt that they did like 2010, 2012. But this shit, bro, it's just half-assed. Like, you grabbed the logo from the Lambo, slapped it on everything, threw a little box logo, a little Supreme here and there, and said, yo, let's roll this shit out. Like, you can do so much better, Supreme. It's honestly unfortunate. The best piece from the whole collaboration that's not wearable is definitely this skate deck right here. Low-key, this is something that I would want to have in my room, but I don't know if my pockets are leaning to spend $70-$80 for something that I can't even wear at this point. Low-key, that's how I've been feeling with Supreme. If I can't wear it, why buy it?
Why the fuck you lying?
But I can't even say that because I buy all this shit and never wear it anyways. So this is a fire skate deck, and I understand why it's at the top of the list. I feel like for the tee, if they would have slapped a little Supreme box logo under the design, it would have even boosted it a little bit. Definitely not my favorite collab at all, but it is okay. I am looking forward to see what you guys have to say about it. There's one more thing that I do want to talk about, and it is the fact that we might be seeing a box logo for coronavirus. I'm trying to tell you, we might be seeing a box logo for it. We might also see something else for it. I don't know what's going on because Supreme always fucks it up. But regardless, the fact is that they are releasing a shirt which all the proceeds are going to coronavirus, COVID-19 victims, families that have been losing their people to it. All I have to say is, bro, stay safe out there. This shit is getting critical. New York is taking one of the biggest hits. Seattle, Washington as well. So make sure you stay protected. Do whatever you have to do. Honestly, just quarantine, bro. Stay in the house. People complain about staying in bed, but you want to stay in bed on a day that you have to go to work. So it doesn't make sense. Like, just stay your ass home, watch some Netflix. Matter of fact, comment some Netflix series or movies that are recommended because I am running out of options. Hulu, Amazon Prime, anything. Just comment some movies. So yeah, that COVID-19 shirt, all the proceeds do go to victims. I definitely would recommend you guys to cop that tee just to help out. I feel like that's gonna sell out regardless of how ass or how fire it is. But it is rumored that it might be a box logo. That's typically what they do to get people to buy it more. Whenever there's like a big issue in the world, like 9/11 or things like that, they do end up doing a box logo for it. What are your favorite pieces from the Supreme drop list? Are you gonna be going for that COVID-19 relief tee? Just let me know what's going on. Also, recommend me some movies and some shows. But leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.